All right, the third best companion planting pair is actually lettuce and radishes. So if you haven't heard of this one, lettuce and radishes go really great together because lettuce takes a longer time to grow, about 6+ weeks. The radishes are really quick. They grow in about 3 to 4 weeks. So you can actually spread both lettuce and radish seeds down on the same bed at the same time, and the radishes will grow faster. They'll break up the soil so they can leave room for the lettuce roots and really make it favorable for the lettuce roots to grow. And then you'll harvest those radishes before the lettuce gets too big. And so then you'll have enough spacing in there. And sometimes even the lettuce can provide shade for those radishes. They're really great companion plants just from the spacing perspective and from breaking up the soil and making it easier to grow. Radishes and other root vegetables are also really good at breaking up the soil. If you haven't tried planting potatoes into your soil to help break up a clay soil, it's also another good one. But lettuce and radishes, that timing is really good, and they are both on the cooler side, so you can plant them earlier in the season, and you can go ahead and plant them again later in the year around the fall, September timeframe, so you can have some fall harvest as well.